Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock NCL Industries Limited. So the company engaged in manufacturing and selling of cement, and it also sells a ready mix concrete, and it also operates two small hydropower projects, and there are some other subsidiary businesses. So the stock looks bullish currently, and the stock is also at cheap valuation currently. So we can expect a good rally in the stock for short and long term. So entering the stock for long term is also preferable, and the stock also gave a bullish signal on long term chart. So just understand, usually the long term charts are not for technical analysis purposes, it's just to understand, but never enter the stock for long term based on the charts. Just analyze the company and understand the business and then enter the stock for long term. So the stock looks bullish for short term, and let me use the volume profile analysis to understand the technicals of the stock. So this can be considered as a good confluence area, and this region also can be considered as a good confluence area. And look at this region. So 54 range can be also considered as a good confluence area. So currently, after hitting the confluence area, the stock is just started moving higher. So there is a doji also. So after doji, the stock made a good up move. So we can consider this as a good bullish sign for the stock. So the stock looks bullish on monthly chart, and also the stock shows a good retracement around the price range of 170. So let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to understand it. So it retraced at 0.5 level of Fibonacci retracement. So this can be also considered as a good sign. So we can enter the stock at current market price for a good rally, and we can easily expect the price range of 300 to 350 as a target. So the stock looks bullish in the monthly chart. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So let me draw the major trend line that govern the stock. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and look at the trend line breakout here. So the trend line breakout looks weak. So we can enter the stock above the price range of 220 for a safest entry, or else one can also enter the stock at current market price. And the stock has good value to go long for long term. So we can consider the stock for long term. So the stock haven't gave a good breakout. So we can consider the 220 price range as good entry. So breakout of the 220 price range can be taken as entry. So the stock gave a range expansion. So the stock fell drastically and came till the price range of 160, and it formed a reaccumulation zone here. So after reaccumulation, the stock just started moving higher. So it's a good range expansion. Stock is trading above the price range of 170. So we can consider this as a bullish sign. So let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and it's subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published. So let's move to the daily chart. But before moving to the daily chart, just understand the business and sector. So due to the high inflation, the governments may hike the rates. The construction business may get affected by this. So beware of sectoral issues before entering the stock for long term. So the stock gave a breakout and it took a retracement. So we can enter the stock above the price range of 220 for a safest entry, or else one can also enter the stock above the price range of 210. So both are fine, and the price range of 220 may act as a resistance for the stock. So 210 to 220 price range may act as a resistance. So the stock gave a breakout from the range 190, and it was trading higher the price range of 190. So this can be considered as a bullish sign, and we can expect the price range of 220 to be broken within a week. So just add the stock to your watch list and watch the stock till the breakout, and enter the stock only if the entry triggers. So we can enter the stock above the price range of 210 or 220, and we can expect the target around the price range of 300 for short term. So the stock looks bullish, and one can expect a good rally in the stock for short term. So you can also use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the rally. So currently the 50-day exponential moving average is around 191 range. So breakout of the price range of 220 can trigger a further rally. So one can use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend, and one can consider the price range of 300 as the primary target, and the breakout of the price range of 300 can trigger a further rally. So enter the stock above the price range of 220. So for long term, the stock is very cheap, and one should understand the sector issues before entering the stock for long term, and beware of valuations. So the stock looks bullish for short term. So enter the stock at current market price, or else above the price range of 210. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally, thank you for watching our videos.